Hello and welcome back. My name is Fumilayo from Bet Media, and in today's video, I will be talking about the power of removing backgrounds from images, and I would show you a simple and easy way to achieve this. Let's get started. Why would you want to remove the background from your images? It helps to remove distracting elements from the background, it helps to make your subject stand out more, and it helps to create a transparent and custom background for branding process. We'll get into more details as we go on. Removing the background of an image helps you to highlight the main subject. It draws attention to the main subject, improves your visual appeal, and allows for more creative design options. It also helps to create a transparent background. Removing background of image can make it more versatile and professional looking, and it also helps your design to stand out. By having a transparent background, this allows your image to be reusable for different posts, different campaigns, and whatever you might have in mind, rather than having a background of a particular color that doesn't really go with any of your posts or designs. It also helps to improve the visual aesthetics of your image. It can improve your visual appeal and enhance focus on the subject and increase flexibility in design layouts. What are then the tools you can use for removing background? You can use the Canva background remover tool. I don't think this is available on the free version, but it's available on the pro version if you have that. And you can also use Remove.bg, or you can use the Adobe Photoshop Magic Wand tool. I will be showing you how to do that with the Remove.bg. So now let's remove an image background. So here is the image I would like to remove the background of. As you can see, the snake hair looks really good, but then with the background, I might not be able to use it on Instagram posts, on banners, and the rest. So I believe removing the background of this image would do wonders to my post. So let's remove the background. And so for this task, I'm using Remove.bg. You can go directly to the website. I don't think you need to even create an account and sign up if you're just removing backgrounds for a couple of images. Or you can click the link in my description and to take you directly to the website. So you can upload the image or you can drop the file. I would be dropping the file. So you can drop the image anywhere and then the process starts. It usually takes a few seconds, and now soon we would have an image without the background. So here we have it. We have our image with the removed background, and then you can download it, or you can download the HD of it too. I think it looks good, and then I click on download, and then it downloads the image. So, so that is it. So that is it for this video. Please click subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.